Most people waste their first day on the ship without even realizing it. But today, I'm giving you the 15 things smart cruisers always do on embarkation. Day on, you definitely should too. Asterisk, number P. Arrive at the port early. Smart cruisers never cut it close. Arriving early means shorter lines, more time to explore the ship, and zero panic if traffic gets messy. Plus, early birds get the best embarkation photos. #14, keep documents, handy passport, boarding pass, luggage tags. Don't bury them in your suitcase. Smart cruisers keep everything in a travel folder so the check-in process takes minutes instead of a headache-filled hour. Number 13, carry a fully loaded day bag. Your main luggage might take hours to reach your cabin. Smart cruisers pack a day bag with swimwear, sunscreen, medications, chargers, a fresh shirt, and anything valuable so they can start having fun immediately. Number 12, check the ship map and app. Cruise ships are floating cities. Smart cruisers download the ship's app before boarding, study the layout, plan their routes, and avoid the first day confusion shuffle. #11, make dining reservations. ASAP. Specialty restaurants fill up fast, sometimes within the first hour. Smart cruisers head straight to dining services and lock in prime dinner times, chef's table seats, and exclusive food experiences. Number 10, explore the ship before it gets crowded. Before everyone else boards, smart cruisers walk around and discover food spots, hidden lounges, quiet decks, secret elevators, Adultonia areas. This early exploration saves hours throughout the trip. #9, check for embarkation day deals. From drink packages to spa passes, cruises often offer their best discounts on day one only. Smart cruisers grab the deals before prices jump on day two. Number 8, visit the muster station early. Safety drill is mandatory, but smart cruisers don't wait until the last minute. They check in early, get it over with, and enjoy the rest of the day stress-free. Number 7, inspect the cabin thoroughly. Smart cruisers never assume everything's perfect. They check locks, lights, AC, balcony door, bathroom cleanliness, and if something's wrong, they request fixes before the ship sails. Number 6, meet your cabin steward. A quick hello makes a huge difference. Cabin stewards are the real MVPs, and smart cruisers build a friendly connection on day one. Trust me, you get better service when you're kind. Number 5, eat lunch anywhere except the buffet. Buffet becomes a zoo on day one. Smart cruisers skip the chaos and eat at alternate spots like the main dining room, poolside grill, small cafes, specialty restaurants, calmer, quicker, and often better food. Number 4, explore the kids' clubs. If traveling with kids, smart cruising parents. No kids' clubs fill up fast. Touring the facilities early and meeting the staff helps kids feel comfortable and gives parents more free time later. Number 3, take photos before you look sweaty. By afternoon, everyone looks melted. Smart cruisers get those picture-perfect shots early before the humidity, sun, and excitement take over. Number 2, check your onboard account immediately. Sometimes mistakes happen, wrong charges, incorrect dates, or missing packages. Smart cruisers open the onboard account ASAP to fix issues before lines get long later. Number 1, start relaxing. I am a media Tony. Biggest hack: don't rush, don't panic, and don't try to do everything in the first hour. Smart cruisers take it slow, breathe, enjoy, and let vacation mode officially begin. Outro: final message plus call to action. End. There you go. Those are the 15 things smart cruisers always do the moment they board. If you follow these steps, your entire cruise will feel smoother, easier, and way more enjoyable. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise hacks, and comment below. Which tip are you going to use on your next cruise? Your cruise adventure starts the moment you step onto the ship, and now you'll be stepping on like a pro.